Hello everyone. I wanted to talk to you today about the animals, dangerous or not dangerous for the chickens. Like you see now, it's a groundhog. I would say the groundhog is not dangerous for the chicken. Why? Because he's not eating chickens. He is like a vegetable animal. He likes to eat some grass, tomato plants, some other stuff. And for the chicken, he's not harmful because he's he's too small for the chicken, and he can't run so fast after the chicken if your chicken is in open area. So let's call my chickens. Where you guys go? Ah, here you are. What are you doing in here? You looking for some stuff to eat? You like the grass? Okay, the other animal is raccoon. Raccoon, of course, is animal that eat meat, like you know. They love meat, so of course they will eat your chicken. I have my chicken walking around in my backyard, and one day I saw a raccoon came out. Can you imagine? In the middle of the day, and he couldn't catch any of my chickens because my chicken are flighty, especially leghorn. So all of them was on the trees one day. So thanks God he didn't eat any of my chickens. But the raccoon, yeah, is very dangerous animal for the chicken, and if you keep your chicken closed in a chicken coop or chicken run, you have to make sure that he cannot open your lock, and you don't have any like space where he can get through. The raccoon, they usually do not dig like a groundhog. They will prefer to open some locks, or they prefer to see a hole where they can get in, but they usually do not dig. So make sure your lock is good, is against raccoons. Make sure that you don't have any open area where he can go in, and like this your chicken will be safe. The other animal I will tell you, it's a skunks. We have them a lot on our backyard, very often. It's a small animal. You have to know also about what does he eat. The skunk, he eats my bees. Like you see here, he loves to eat my bees, but especially dead bees. This animal also like a vegetable animal, and he eats some like small insects also, but not the chicken. I had one. I saw one day that he went inside my chicken coop, in my chicken run. Sorry, because the groundhog, he's like a dig on the bottom of my chicken run, and he made a hole, and the skunks went in. But I would say he didn't touch my chicken at all. He just tried to eat the chicken food. So that's it. Any animals, you have to first know what the animal does eat. If it's a skunk, he insect animal and vegetable animal. He will never eat like such a big chicken like this. It's a small animal, so he doesn't eat. Groundhog is the same story. But the raccoon, foxes, and the wolf, I would say, I don't know who has these animals around, but yeah, those animals eat meat. So that's it. So don't worry about the groundhog and the skunks. The other animals who eats meat, yeah, you have to make sure everything is closed and make sure some like foxes they also dig. You have to make sure that the coop is really safe against foxes, raccoons, and other animals who eats meat. So yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you. Bye.